year of millets. Everybody is celebrating the year of millets, and I enjoy the jawar ki roti, and especially with the greens. You know, whenever I make the greens, I use 2 or 3 kinds of greens. Here today I have made it with Malabar spinach and amaranthus. These leaves are absolutely boomba tasty. Jawar ki roti is very special, and along with the greens, even when I make dal, I make sure I add lot of vegetables. Like, look at this, very little dal, more of this bottle gourd. My God, this is how I love. And with little bit of ghee in the dal, this is very tasty. And with the jawar ki roti, just the juicy vegetable. Vegetarian food, you will just fall in love when you have good combination. Wow. This is...
Chef, ginger chicken.
We are not showing chicken, da.
Only vegetarian?
We are showing vegetarian, but we are eating non-vegetarian also. Oh God, Pranav, ginger chicken, huh? God.